Hi guys, I'm Mark and thank you so much for tuning back into MavTech. Now today's a particularly special day. It's the 26th of March 2019 and to any Apple fanboy or any tech lover around the world that means only one thing. Apple have shipped and delivered the brand new AirPods 2 from Apple. You ready? Let's do this. On the front you've got your product, your AirPods 2, the version. Apple symbol, it said AirPods wireless charging case. It's not just a case, the AirPods are in there as well. I hope the second generation ones. You've got another Apple print on the side and you've got a small bit of information. AirPods with wireless charging case, and it's got a picture of the wireless charging case, and you can tell because of the little green indicator light on there and your AirPods inside. So that's your really simple walk around the box. So we're going to open this up right now. Get them out. Hopefully they come with a bit of charge on them, most Apple products do. Get rid of that. Very quickly just position my other camera. I'm trying to film this twice. Here we go. Opens up. Throw the lid. Designed by Apple in California as always, and there's your main product inside. Tiny simple little product, and again nice easy tab from Apple to open, and hopefully, about to say peel these off really easily. There we go, yeah, and they're out. And there's your dental floss from Apple. Now we know what it is, so I've got my phone here. I want to see literally how easy it is if these pair. On the first arm, I don't know if there's any charge in these at all. Let me just close everything down. Literally going to click these open. There you go, look. Simple as that. And you get your nice little animation that goes along with them as well. What do you think? It's that simple. So this tiny little product from Apple is going to replace what I've currently been using. Is the Beats X as their wireless option. I mean, yeah, they're covered in wires. I like them though because they go over your head. You're not going to lose them, and they're actually a comfortable headphone. But these are just on a different level. The size of them, the portability of them, and the battery life far outweighs what these are. And now with the new wireless charging feature on these, again, I think it's going to take it to a new level. I mean, plugging anything in now just feels a bit archaic and old. I mean, all the phones now are wireless, and it just corresponds with them. And what I'm really hoping for is when the iPhone 11 comes out, that you can charge them on the back of the iPhone 11, a bit like what the Samsung S10 have done. So we're hoping for that. Come on Apple, make it happen, it'd be really good. But yeah, these are a great little product. The animations on them look just fantastic. Let me try and just click them open, and you're going to get your animations on there of your battery percentage of your AirPods and the case themselves. So they're going to far outweigh what the Beats X are I've been using. But yeah, it's just, I'm really excited about having these. So yeah guys, just going vlog mode for you here. Got it on my tripod. Just want to show you basically in the ears. Also, I know what you know what they all look like, but some people say they don't fit. For me, they fit perfectly. They hook in nicely. They sit there comfortably. They're not loose. They don't feel like they're going to fall out. And even if they're not falling out, I'm dizzy and that's hurting my neck. I mean, that's quite a harsh movement there, but yeah, as you can see, they're in nicely, they're comfortable, and I think you'd have to really try to flick these out. I mean, that's not a little movement I'm doing, and I don't know anyone that runs like that. If you do, I'd stop it. Don't run like that. the new AirPods 2. You can see the little indication light on the front. I should put that down. I'm just going to keep it at an angle. I'll push it to the back of it. There you go, and you can see it's come on. Goes orange. That indicates that it's charging. And it goes off after a second. There you go. So guys, remembering there's 3 new sort of price options for these. You can buy the wireless case on its own for £79. So if you've got the Gen 1 AirPods, they will work with these. They can slot in and you've got yourself a wireless case for £79. If you're not really interested in the wireless case and you want to upgrade to the new AirPods, you can buy the new AirPods with a non-wireless charging case. It's pretty much like your old one you would have had, just with the port at the bottom, for £159. Or if you want to get the new AirPods Gen 2 with the wireless charging case like I have, it's £200 or $200 depending where you're from. That's the 3 price options. So guys, I just want to say thank you very much for tuning in and watching my video and content again. I hope you're enjoying it all. Please consider subscribing to the channel and please do hit the like button. It really helps the channel out. I'm Mark. Thanks for watching about the new AirPods 2, and seriously, I can't get these things out of my ears. They're stuck.